Hello, good morning class. How are you today? I'm fine to thank you. Okay, before we study, it's better for us to pray according to your unbelief. Seperti biasa, kita berdoa dahulu sebelum memulai pembelajaran hari ini. Pray begin, berdoa dimulai. Pray over, berdoa selesai. Now open your book on page 114. Today we are going to study about town. On lesson 11 page 114. Hari ini kita lanjut ke bab 11 ya, tentang kota ya. But before we continue our lesson, I will remind you about the last lesson. Jadi Miss akan mengulang sedikit ya tentang pelajaran minggu lalu. We have already studied about sports ya, kinds of sport. Jenis-jenis olahraga ya, ada baseball, basketball, football, hockey, tenis, table tennis, badminton, and sports ya. Sudah kita pelajari ya. Miss harap anak-anak selalu mengulang pelajaran yang sudah kita pelajari ya. Oke. Nah, tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini ya, siswa mampu mengidentifikasi kosakata yang berhubungan dengan kota ya. Now listen and say the words. Seperti biasa, anak-anak mendengar lalu mengikuti cara membaca kosakata tersebut.
1. Listen and say the words. 1. Zoo. 2. School. 3. Flat. 4. Playground. 5. Shop. 6. Park. 7. Bookshop. 8. Street. 1. Zoo. 2. School. 3. Flat. 4. Playground. 5. Shop. 6. Park. 7. Bookshop. 8. Street.
Okay, good. Thank you. Yeah. For the meaning of the words, you can see the picture. Yeah. Number 1, zoo. Zoo means apa? Yes. Kebun binatang. And then school. Sekolah. Flat. Gedung bertingkat. Ya. And then playground. Ya, taman bermain. Shop. Toko. Park. Taman. Bookshop, toko buku. Street means jalan. Jadi di sebuah kota itu ya, in a city there are some public place. Ya, ini adalah tempat-tempat umum ya. Oke, next. Nah, untuk penugasan hari ini ya. On page 116, ya, I will read the story and then you write on your book in English and translate the story in Indonesian. Jadi Miss akan bacakan dulu ya story ini, cerita ini, dialog ini ya, kemudian anak-anak menulis di buku tulis ya bahasa Inggrisnya dan terjemahannya ya. Jadi misalnya gini, picture one ya, number one, tulis dulu bahasa Inggrisnya, nanti ada urutannya di sini ya. Dialog yang pertama misalnya nomor 1 kan, this is beautiful. Nah, sebelahnya langsung aja ditulis artinya ya. And then we're flying, tulis artinya apa ya. Nah, atau boleh juga anak-anak tulis dulu bahasa Inggrisnya 1 sampai 7 ya, 1 until the 7th picture, and then di bawahnya ya baru translate-nya ya, bebas. Yang penting itu anak-anak menulis dalam bahasa Inggris dan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Okay. Picture number 1. This is beautiful. We're flying. What's that? Picture number 2. Is that a school, Dila? Yes, it is. Where's the playground? The playground is next to the school. Picture number 3. They are the shops. The shops are in front of the school. Look, it's Mrs. Gunawan. Hello, Mrs. Gunawan. Picture number 4. It's the zoo. I like the zoo. Can you see the hippos? Yes, they are 4 hippos. The hippos are between the monkeys and the giraffes. Look, how many monkeys are there? Number 5. Help! 6. Tony, Dila, I've got you. We're flying. Thank you, Romy. Look, we at the park. Look, there are trees and flowers and it's beautiful. Nah, itu ya. There are 7 pictures ya, and dialogue ya in the picture. Write down on your book ya, notebook or exercise book, this is up to you, and then translate the dialogue. Nah, kemudian diterjemahkan di dalam bahasa Indonesia, kemudian difotokan aja, langsung dikirim japri ke Miss ya. Okay, just enough for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Stay safe, keep healthy, and do your best.